In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your products on Gumroad. We're going to walk through a simple, practical way to drive the right kind of traffic to your Gumroad pages so that more of your visitors actually turn into buyers. Think of this as a quick breakdown of the whole system that sits around your Gumroad product, from the moment someone discovers you to the moment they buy, and even what happens after that. First, let's talk about traffic sources. Everything starts with traffic, but not all traffic works well with Gumroad. What really matters here is intent, not volume. In other words, you don't just want a lot of people clicking your link. You want people who are already looking for a solution to a specific problem. That intent can come from paid traffic, like ads, or from free traffic, like social posts, search, or communities. The key idea is that Gumroad does not warm people up for you. The person needs to arrive on your product page already somewhat interested and aware of the problem you solve. That's where the pre-frame or context comes in. Cold traffic almost never converts when you send it straight to a Gumroad page. Before someone lands on your product, you usually need a short piece of content that explains what's going on. This could be a simple landing page, a detailed tweet or thread, a blog post, a short video, or even a thoughtful comment in a community. The job of this pre-frame is to explain why your product exists, who it's for, and what problem it solves. Once that clicks in the visitor's mind, your Gumroad page is there to handle the details and the checkout. Next, you need tracking and control. This is the layer most people skip, and it's often why they lose time and money. Instead of guessing which traffic source works, you want every important click to be trackable. Use simple tracking links or analytics tools so you can see where visitors came from, how far they get, and where they drop off. When you can see this clearly, you can double down on what works and quickly stop what doesn't. Without this layer, you're just hoping, not managing. Now, let's focus on the actual Gumroad product page. Gumroad is not a traffic platform. It's a checkout and delivery system. It handles payments, files, access, and fulfillment. So you treat it as the endpoint, not the whole marketing machine. If your traffic comes in with the right intent and the right context, a clear Gumroad page with a strong title, benefits, and simple pricing usually converts just fine. But if the traffic is random or confused, no checkout tool can magically fix that. Finally, you need to think about your backend. The first sale is rarely the most important one. Your backend is everything that happens after that initial purchase, or even after someone first shows interest. This includes follow-up emails, product bundles, upgrades, and ongoing updates. Even something as basic as capturing email addresses from interested visitors can change your results completely. It lets you keep the relationship going, instead of relying on a single visit to do all the work. Most creators ignore this part and wonder why their revenue stalls. When you build a simple back end, Gumroad becomes much more powerful because you're increasing the value of each person who discovers you instead of constantly